Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found this channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig review. So we gonna dive into some things. But before we begin, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we gonna be right back. Welcome back. So today's unit was sent to me by Divas. So thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is their glueless lace front wig from Bobbi Boss. It's free parting. It's in the style MLF258 Kiera, and I got it in the color HL613/627. It's a hand tied deep lace 13x4. Glueless wear, flawless free parting, natural baby hairs, pre-plucked hairline. And yeah, they have a glueless lace series. So this is what the stock card is looking like, the back of it. And this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. This unit ranges on Divas' website. Let me just check. This unit ranges on Divas' website for $40. Y'all, okay, I'm gonna give y'all the tea on this unit. Okay, first of all, I love the coloring. They did an amazing job. I stepped out of my comfort zone. Y'all know I don't really play with blondes on this channel, but you know, I wanted to try something different, and then I went for my little European look. I just got back from Barcelona, so I'm still feeling it. I'm cracking up. But yes, I wish the bob like went under. Even without the shirt, it still is kind of like going in different places. So I will have to, you know, press a flat iron on this just so it can go under like a bob is supposed to do. I feel like somebody's a European rich auntie, y'all. I'm cracking up. Like, the hair and outfit is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. But yes, it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. This unit, the cap size is a little snug. I feel like for this unit to be completely glueless, the combs need to be like up here. They are, where are they? First of all, they are here on the sides. I think they need to be maybe like a little bit closer, or maybe like completely on the ends, because to make this unit completely glueless, it's not working, y'all. I tried earlier, it was still flapping in the wind, so I did go in with my Eben Supreme spray, and I only sprayed right here because if you are familiar with my channel, I don't like gluing units down, especially synthetic wigs. Like, I just don't see the purpose of it. Synthetic hair don't already last that long as it is. I mean, there are things that you can do to keep the longevity of it, but I just don't like gluing down my synthetic wigs, y'all. But I did go in right here with the spray. I blow dried it. I went in with my Fenty foundation in the color 420. I went in along the part, and I went in along the hairline with my Juvia's Place chocolate palettes and with one of the chocolate colors, and I just went in along the hairline to darken it up, and that was it, y'all. This unit is really cute. It was easy, not too bad. I just cut the lace off, and that was it. It is on the medium spectrum. Bobbi Boss's units tend to be a little on the smaller side, so just keep that in mind. It has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It's on the medium spectrum, and I will say I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding, you know, as of yet. I just took this unit out the package, but it does need a nice little flat iron to just basically reposition these curls, because they going everywhere right now, y'all. I'm ready to take this wig off, but it's cute. It's definitely cute. I do like the coloring. I think Bobbi Boss did a great job with that, and yeah. As far as the color, I definitely think it gives more summer, you know, spring vibes, but you know, you can never go wrong with a blonde any time of the year. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. How are you feeling this wig? Let me know, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.